Hi friends, today we'll see how to download and install Postman, and also I will show you how to use also. So we need to click on download Postman. So you'll get official website postman.com. We need to go to the official website and it will be navigated to official website. So here we see the option download the app. Just click on download. So it is downloading. Just wait some time. It will be downloaded. Wait until the download was done. So download was done. Just go to the downloads folder. Here you can see the app. Just double click it. Now the Postman will open. Okay, the Postman is open. Postman client. Here we have sign in option. We can sign in or no need. It is not mandatory to sign in. So to use the Postman, first we need to create one folder or collection. We say just click on this place item. Yeah, give some name. Click enter. Now we created one folder. Now click on these three dots and click on add request. See now we can check our REST API calls and how it's working. We'll verify once. Just I'm going to my STS. See here, I have one git mapping and its URL is welcome and message is welcome message. So let us test it. This API. Let us go to localhost. Let's colon 8080. So why I'm giving 8080 means my server. See my server started on 8080 port number. So 8080. Then welcome. Give the get mapping URL path and send the request. See, we are able to see the message from the controller. Now let us test this greet. So the message in the greet is I am greet message. Okay, let us test this. See, we got I am greet message. So in this way we can check the REST API calls and everything. We can use Postman client to check all this. So that's all for this video. Thank you friends. Bye.